everyone, and welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great. I know most of you guys will recognize where I'm sitting right now, as you probably already know from the thumbnail and title of this video, but we are getting the Supra back out, and I am super excited. It's been so long. It's been way too long since I've driven in this car, been in this car. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to finally pull it out, take it back on the road, drive it again. Will be more Supra content to come. I know you guys have been waiting for it because most of you guys are on the channel because of the Supra. So we have more to come on the go-kart. I'll insert clip right here of what's been happening with that. But yeah, that'll come next week. There will be more videos on the Supra soon. But for now, let's get this thing back out and let's just start it up and drive it. Hope you guys enjoy. The Supra is back. Alright, I'm gonna take the cover off this thing. Well, it's not really a cover, it's just like a sheet. But we had it on there. I don't know why, but wow, that is really dusty. Yeah, it needs to be washed. For sure. I think it's time. I think we should start this thing up. I just want to clarify this too. Every time I usually start a vehicle, it never goes perfectly well. Like my four-wheelers and go-karts and all that good stuff. Hopefully this goes well. I mean, it's got gas in it. I know the battery's charged. So I think we should be good. Gauges are on. You guys ready? Here we go. That's right, it's in gear. Glad I checked that. That's right, it's in gear. Glad I checked that. Now we're in neutral. Yeah! Alright, I gotta make sure I didn't just accidentally hit it into the wall. I don't think I did. It lurched forward. No, we're good. We're good. Oh, it sounds so good. I've missed this so much. Sounds like it's running good. So, I mean, other than it lurching forward a little bit, so far this has gone better than I expected, which is good. It's definitely going to be tight getting it out here because it's very close to the other car and I don't want to hit it. But to that side. Just like that, it's out of hiding. So let's do everyone's favorite here. Put you in front of the car. One thing I do know is I need to buy new hood shocks. My hood shocks are shot. So that is definitely going to be something we're going to get very soon, but it sounds like it's running pretty good in here. There's the weird light. I don't know why it has that, but everything sounds good. It looks good. Sweet, everything's working. Well, at least I think everything's working. I haven't driven it fully yet, but that'll come very soon. God, it sounds so good. Hello everyone, so we are in the Supra right now. Does this thing come off? There it is. Taking it out for the first drive. Cars and Coffee got canceled, so that kind of sucks, but what are you gonna do? We'll give it a good drive. Around the block. Turn my camera on just to get some like sound audio for some future videos. Don't really want to cover this thing in water. Hopefully the roads aren't too salty, but I'm gonna need to wash it at some point anyway, so. There we go. I don't think the roads are too bad. They seem pretty good. Oh, it feels so good to drive this car again. You guys don't even know. It's been so long. And this is the first time I'm driving it by myself too, which is pretty cool. Because now I have my license. It's a little dirty, dusty on this road. I'm not going to go very far with it. Everything seems to be working though. Trans feels good. Engine feels good. I don't know how good you guys can hear me. Hopefully the sound quality is better than it was when I started it yesterday. But yeah. Wow, it goes! Oh, I forgot how fast. I mean, it's not fast, but I forgot that this thing, it moves. If you put your foot on the pedal, it moves. Oh, I love this car so much. Third gear. Pulls no problem. That's so cool. Driving good. Fourth gear. Doesn't sound like there's any air getting in the car from outside because it's a really windy day. Let's see, fifth gear. Fifth gear. Man, everything's going good. Running very smoothly. Alright, we're gonna do a pull. Alright, hopefully my fire extinguisher doesn't move too much. Alright, here we go. Here goes nothing. First time launching the car in 2020. Oh my god! This thing's nuts! I forgot how quick this car is at acceleration. Holy crap. That was almost at 60 already. They say the 0 to 60 on this thing is in like 9 seconds. I call bullcrap on that. Ho ho ho. Squeak the tires in second. No problem. Oh my god, I love this car so much. Alright, I'm gonna shut the GoPro off, guys. Whew. That was so amazing. Alright everyone, that'll do it for this week's video. I really hope you enjoyed. I'm super excited to have this thing back and out on the road again. It felt so good to drive it the other day. And honestly surprised me how quick it was, because I keep forgetting how quick this car actually is. I mean, it's not really by any means fast, but for what it is, it's a pretty quick car. It gets up and goes. So thank you all so much for watching. To support the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. I hope you all have a great rest of your week. Stay safe out there. I'll see you guys next week. Bye, guys.